Welcome back to another episode of What the And today, there's a lot of shit going on. First of all, what in the hell is this, man?
Hanging. Hanging.
That's because on Saturday it was Kyle's 40th birthday and he had a few too many and a few too much and a few too many. Yeah, man, today is a cool one because we've actually got the GTO in the booth, which means got to basically empty the car out and start getting it masked up and getting it ready for primer. Fuck's sake. And that means light under the bloody tunnel. We had to move the 911s out because we were using the spray booth as storage space. Ferrari is back to an NA. What turbos. But yeah, Kyle's just taking the gearbox off because he is going to rebuild the gearbox. Yeah. Nothing.
That time, innit?
That time, man.
That time. Gearbox off, rebuild.
Yeah, man. So with the rebuild of the gearbox, then, what's the most common thing on these?
All of it. Synchro rings, bearings, all of it. It's been a problematic box since day one, but that's why it was here. For the gearbox. So take the gearbox off, you go to the manifolds off. I took them off on the side. You know, it'd be nice if I had some turbo manifolds. And then it started from there. So
and that's how builds can just escalate from literally being something as minor as him sorting the gearbox out to a full custom one-off build.
But the box is coming off, it's getting stripped back, it's getting rebuilt. Well, I'm rebuilding it. And then see what goes on from there, really.
So there it is. It's a mint box anyway, as you can see.
It's not bad, is it? I mean, obviously I replaced all this. This is a 355.
Yeah.
Throwout bearing. So I upgraded that last year.
Just admire how he's laying as well.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm sorry for myself, man. I've had a rough week.
But yeah, man. So today I'm gonna get the GTO masked up, get it cleaned off. Hopefully tomorrow. Well, no, actually, it has to. No, hopefully tomorrow I am going to epoxy prime the bare metal. The reason you do that is because epoxy primer has a lot more durability properties in it, which is why it's always beneficial to use that on bare metal. Epoxy primer is something that they actually use on like submarines as well, so it is a great product to use on bare metal. That will then give us another working space. It'll also allow us to see if there's any imperfections in the repairs that we've done. If there is, we can rectify them. Then we will reprime the car again, then sand that down. Then the whole car will get based in one color before we actually lay the color down onto it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, not putting no deadlines on because we know that go to pop, but hopefully by the end of this week, we should have
Got fucking old, didn't I?
This is real life problems. Real life problems. But yeah, so hopefully by the end of this week, we'll have the epoxy done, have that cleaned off, have it ready and back in the booth, and then hopefully re-primed as well. That's the aim. The aim is to have not just the epoxy primer done, but the actual high build primer put on it as well. And then hopefully that will lead us into next week to basically getting the primer prepped and actually having it cleaned off and in the spray booth ready to lay some color down. In the UK right now, the weather's not looking too bad, but it could turn into torrential rain again, just like it has been non-stop for God knows how long. But yeah, just a quick little update. This time it's an actual update because the last few videos, the GTO has just either moved from there to there, then back over there to here again, but it's actually gone in the spray booth now. So yeah, man. So that's the Ferrari update. That's the GTO update. As you can see with the 911 as well. So this was a COVID situation. During COVID, we managed to get a lot of this sort of like prepped up and ready. So most of this is already in bare metal, as you can see. A lot of the fab work has already been done. Obviously he started getting this side buzzed down. But this kind of stuff takes a long time. Then we got the other 911 over here. We ain't even started on this one yet, but me and Kyle are hopeful. We are hopeful that 2026, before the end of it, we are actually going to be able to stand by that shutter over there and say, we got no more projects left.
You fool. Don't be fooled by him. He's lying.
I ain't. But yeah, man. So anyway, that's a wrap. Catch you boys on the next one. Boys, catch all of you guys on the next one. Peace.